just love teaching kindergarten. I love to see how much they've grown from those August kindergartners to those May kindergartners. You can't even explain how much they've grown. They've come in from not even being able to write their name to being able to write independently 2 to 3 sentences. They come in from not being able to read a word to being able to read a book. The great thing about the PV kindergarten, it's a free full day program. So you have a certified teacher in the classroom all day from start to finish. You're learning to read, to write, to do math. You're also getting that science, that social studies. You're also getting your specials, art, music, PE involved in the entire day. This is their first educational experience for many children, and so we need to foster that love of learning. We teach a lot of empathy. We know that everyone is different. We know that everyone needs different things. We are making sure that we are meeting the needs of each individual child. We're working on building those 21st century thinkers and building lifelong learners.